Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I know this video will be going up late, but it is Mother's Day. We're down here at the Rock Creek Park in Twin Falls. Haven't been to this park yet, so I just wanted to come explore it because it looked very interesting. Google Maps, that's where I saw it. This used to be a dumping ground, and in the 70s started cleaning it up. They used cars and stuff all on this, and it's really brown because it's irrigation, water runoff, and everything else too.
If we want to play disc golf.
Oh, look at those rocks! Oh my god!
What?
One of the discs is right up there.
I think it might be a bit small for you. Yeah. Come on, Dad. You gotta duck down, Dad.
Well, I see moisture, so that means there's water coming off those rocks.
Yep, I see it. And litter. Great.
There's litter?
And thorns. And thorns? Where is number 11? Must be way in that cave. It's no cave. You have to hike up those rocks and the other side is thorns.
Just moisture coming off the rocks?
Yeah. Water.
Okay, cool. And that's why the rocks are all falling down right here, is because the water is eroding.
I don't see it yet, Dad.
Straight ahead. Keep looking for yellow. Do you see it? I see it. Straight ahead of me. I'm looking right at it. I see the yellow. Watch see where my dead cat is pointing? Straight ahead.
I see it.
Oh, finally, you saw the disc golf goal.
They probably moved it.
Oh my gosh, I'm not taking you guys hunting. You can't see anything.
It's a cut down tree.
Uh-huh.
Cut this thing down. Beaver.
Oh, that's actually is beavers. Look at this tree.
Over here.
Yeah, okay.
Another beaver. Yeah. And beavers actually eat the soft layer of bark from the tree.
Beaver's been chewing on that guy. Well, the weather has seemed to turn, so we are headed back to the car. Wind is picking up quite a bit. Black clouds ahead above us, and yeah, I'd rather not get my camera all wet. So head back to the car for now, and probably go get some dinner. But this was Rock Creek Park here in Twin Falls.